Okay, so this is our second question. Okay, so the question says evaluate the square root of 155 by using Lagrange interpolation formula from the following data. Okay, so this time around we are given 3 points. So when you're given 3 points, this will result into what? A quadratic Lagrange interpolation polynomial. So we're going to have a quadratic. In the previous video, we had 2 points. So that resulted us into a linear interpolation. Okay, remember that when you have 2 points, you can just get a straight line, isn't it? Okay, we need this, the slope of that line and everything, and the point where the line is passing through, then you just get the straight line. But if you have 3 points, it becomes hard for you to know whether it's a straight line and all that. So we're going to end up with what? A quadratic with power degree of what? 2. If you have 4 points, you're going to end up with what? A polynomial of degree 3, and then if you have 5 points, end up with a polynomial of degree 4. Okay, so here 3 points. So you can look at these values as points, right? So you can look at this value 150 as x, and then 4.25 as the output, which is y, and then 152 as x1. So 150 is x naught. The output is y naught, 4.247. 152 is the input, okay, which is x1. The output, which would be y1 as 4.239. And then y2 is 154. The output is, x2 is 154. The output is what? At 4.410. So we're using these values, okay? We're using this in Lagrange interpolation with these points here to approximate the square root of 155. So I want to find what value, what's the value of the function when x is simply equal to 155. So the first thing is for us to come up with what? A Lagrange quadratic, okay, or a Lagrange polynomial for degree 2. All right, so just like before, remember that to find that polynomial, okay, p of x is given by L naught, y naught, or f of x naught, same thing. So this is L naught of x, sorry, L naught of x, and then y naught, plus L1 of x, y1, plus L2 of x, y2, plus so on and so forth. Since we have 3 points here, we're given 3 values of x and 3 values of y. So just going to end up with y2 here. Okay, so you know how to find L0, right? Okay, and L1 as well. Remember that on top, you need to have x minus something. So what is going to miss on x here is just, on the numerator, is just the x0. You won't have x0 if you're finding what? L0. You won't have x1 on top there. So we're going to have x minus x1, x minus x2. You can't have x minus x0 here. And then in the numerator, so in the denominator, you're going to subtract everything from x0. So this will be x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2. Okay, and then times y0 plus the next one, our L1 to be x minus here, you don't have x1 in the numerator, so this will be just x minus x0, x minus x2. And then here in the denominator, you're going to subtract everything from x1. Okay, so x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2. And then this is it times y1. Okay, and then plus, okay, I think I have enough space there. Also here, this will be x minus x1. So you don't have x2 in the numerator here. So x minus x1, and then x minus x0. Okay, so it's x minus x0 over x. I just started with x1 here. And then divide by everything, subtracting from x2. So x2 minus x1, x2 minus x0. Okay, and then times y2. In the bedroom, keyboard, I think. Okay, so p of x, this is equal to now. So let's now go back and substitute. So remember, this is our x0, or this is our y0, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have x minus x1 is simply 152. Okay, 152. X minus x2, that is 154. And then divide by our x naught is 150. So 150 minus 152, which is x1. And then again 150 minus 154, which is x2. And then times y naught. What is our y naught? Our y naught is 4.247, right? Okay, plus x minus x naught is 150. And then x minus x2, 154. Divided by x1 minus x naught. So this is a 152 minus 150. And 152 minus x2. And our x2 is simply equal to 154. Okay, and then times y1. And our y1 in this case is 4.239. Okay, and then plus x minus, okay, x1, which is 152. X minus x naught, which is 150, right? Okay, divide by x2 minus x1. So x2 is 154. X1 is 152. And then 154 minus x naught is 150. And then times y2. Y2 is 4.410. So 12.410. Okay, so we can simplify this further. So P of x, this just be equal to, so let me just start with the denominator there, 150 minus 152, and then times 150 minus 154. Okay, so in the denominator there, I'm getting positive 8. Okay, I'm getting positive 8. So I'm going to have 12.247 over positive 8, x minus 152, and then x minus 154. Okay, then the next one, also I'm simplifying the numerator there. So the denominator, which is 152 minus 150 times 152 minus 154. So I'm getting that negative 4, right? So then it will be negative 12 over 2.39 over 4 because of negative with the denominator there. And then x minus 150, x minus 154. Okay, and then again we simplify here, 154 minus 152, and then times 154 minus 150. So 4, okay? I do it again, 154 minus 152, okay? Times 154 minus 150. But this is 8 here. Okay, so we have 12.410 over 8. And then you have x minus, this is plus, of course, x minus 152, x minus 150. Okay, so at this point, this is our polynomial, right? So what you can do is simply, let me just write it properly as a full polynomial. So P of x just be equal to 12.247 over 8, x minus 152, x minus 154, minus 12.239 over 4. The space I think is not enough. X minus 150, x minus 154. Yeah, the space isn't that enough. So anyway, I'll just join it here again. 12.410 over 8, x minus 152, x minus 150. Now at this point, this is our polynomial. Okay, we're going to use this one to approximate. So I'm going to use this one to approximate square root of 155, right? So in this case, our x is simply 155. Okay, looking at the function given, remember that our function f of x is just root x. So what is our x in this case? Is 155. So I'll just get the 155 and plug it there. Okay, so p of x equal to 12.247 over 8. Okay, 155 minus 152. Okay, 155 minus 154 minus 12.239 over 4. 155 minus 150, and then times 155 minus 154. Okay, and then plus 4.410 over 8, 155 minus 152, 155 minus 150. So let's try to punch that. So I'll punch term by term, I'll get its value. So the first one, 12.47 over 8, and then times 155 minus 152 times 155 minus 155 minus 154. So for the first one, I'm getting about 4.67625. Okay, 4.67625. That's the first one I'm getting. Let me just do it again. 4. Actually, that's 4.247, right? 4.247 over 8 times 155 minus 152 times 155 minus 154. Actually, 4.5. Okay, 4.5 something. Okay, so it's 4.5 92625. Okay, that's the first term. And then we punch the second term here. So that second term, we have negative 4.239 over 4 times 155 minus 150 times 155 minus 154. So this give me a negative 15.29875. Okay, now let's try the last one. 12.410 over 8 times 155 minus 152 times 155 minus 150. This give me about 23.26875. Okay, so if you add everything, in fact here this should be p of x, this should be p of 155. Okay, because I'm placing 155 in place of x. Okay, so we're going to add 23.26875 plus 4.592675 or 2625 minus 15.29875. So this is giving me approximately, remember that's approximate value is about 12.562625. And the actual value, okay, the actual value of the square of 155, actual value 155, okay, just a minute, okay, is approximately equal to, so thank you so much, it's 4.4498. Okay, so